The bulk of the job of counsels in the Ministry of Justice is managing cases for government efficiently. Hence, the need to update the State Counsels on how best to manage cases, from offering legal opinion when such case files are received to when the bench concludes dispensing such cases. This informed the training, which saw a senior advocate of Nigeria, Funke Adekoya, lecturing the counsels on how best to prepare and maintain case files, case strategy, prepare for trial, manage witnesses, counsel's performance in court, final address, and post-trial matters. Declaring the event open, Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Mr. Isaiah Bozimo said the training was to build the capacity of the state counsels to ensure effective and efficient service delivery. Mr. Bozimo, represented by the Solicitor General and Permanent Secretary in the Ministry, Mr. Omamuzu Erebe, affirmed that investing in the development of staff reduced the workload of any organization and helped in speedy actualization of goals and objectives. He urged staff to take the training serious.
We handle a lot of cases. If you do not know how to manage the cases, you will end up wasting government's time and resources. So this training is to help us to better appreciate how we can go about managing our cases, both civil and criminal cases.
The facilitator, Funke Adekoya, observed that it was rare for a state ministry of justice to regularly train its staff and lauded the state government for the training. Participants at the training, including the Director Office of the Public Defender, Mr. Eunice Emeyazia, the State Director of Public Prosecution, Mrs. Jesin Odogun, a Director of the Ministry, Mr. Moses Aguirre, Director Sexual Offense, Domestic Violence and Child Rights Units, Mrs. Uche Akamaguna, and the Assistant Director Zonal Head Abo, Mrs. Mercy Tano, thanked Governor Fanyokoa for appointing Mr. Isaiah Bozimo as Commissioner, saying the staff had never had it so good.
We've never had it this good, especially in the area of capacity building. So we say kudos to the Honorable Attorney General. It's been wonderful. It's been week after week, one aspect of the law or the other. And not just for even the legal officers, even non-lawyers. He has exposed us, even beyond the Ministry of Justice. To thank His Excellency for giving us such a person as an Attorney General. And if we're not asking for too much, we would want him to be here for as long as possible.
We go to court every day. When these matters do come to us, civil, criminal, how do we manage it? It's commendable and laudable.
Eunice Emeyazia reporting.